Welcome to Love Garden Care. In today's video, I'll share a super simple tip.
Yet surprisingly effective for caring for red Anthurium.
It's about using natural fertilizer, easy to make at home, with just a few familiar kitchen ingredients.
You can help your Anthurium grow lush with shiny leaves and bloom more vibrantly than ever before.
Now let's take a look at the red Anthurium. Looking closely, I noticed the plant has some withered leaves and a few signs of pest damage. So I'll carefully remove the wilted leaves and cut away the parts affected by pests. Where in the world are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to the Love Garden Care channel. Please leave a comment below to let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share from all over the world. After removing the withered leaves and pest damaged parts, I apply natural turmeric powder directly onto the fresh cuts. Turmeric has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping prevent bacteria and fungi from entering open wounds. At the same time, turmeric acts like a natural bandage, helping the cuts heal faster and reducing the risk of rot. Now I will use ginger to take care of the Anthurium. First, I select a fresh ginger root, then slice it into thin, small, even pieces. Ginger is a familiar kitchen ingredient, but few people know it is also a natural remedy for plants. Ginger contains antibacterial and growth-stimulating compounds that help prevent fungal diseases and promote root development. After preparation, I place all these ginger slices into a clean glass jar. Next, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water, then add 1 teaspoon of charcoal. Stir the mixture evenly. Charcoal helps create a favorable environment to activate beneficial compounds in ginger while providing natural minerals for the plant. Then I use a spoon to stir the mixture evenly so the ginger and charcoal blend into the water. After that, I cover the jar and let it sit for about 30 minutes. During infusion, the boiling water extracts the beneficial compounds from the ginger, blending with the minerals from the charcoal. The result is an excellent nutrient solution for the Anthurium. Next, I will use milk to take care of the Anthurium. I choose plain fresh milk because it is completely safe for the plant and does not cause mold. I use about 50 milliliters of milk, then dilute it with 1,000 milliliters of clean water to create a gentle nutrient solution. Milk contains vitamins, proteins, and minerals that help the leaves turn greener, shinier, and stronger. Not only does it nourish the leaves, but the diluted milk solution also strengthens the plant's resistance, helping it fight fungal diseases and grow more vigorously. You can use this solution to gently wipe the leaves or pour it directly at the roots. Both methods bring excellent results. I pour the freshly prepared diluted milk solution into a clean cup. Then I prepare a clean cotton ball and soak it evenly in this solution. Next, I gently wipe the solution onto all the Anthurium leaves, from the upper surface to the underside. Wiping the leaves with milk solution brings many important benefits. It helps remove dust and bacteria clinging to the leaves. Makes the leaves shinier and allows better air circulation. The nutrients in milk penetrate directly into the leaf surface, boosting resistance and effectively preventing fungal diseases. When the leaves are clean and shiny, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, absorbing maximum sunlight and producing more energy for the growth of roots, leaves, and flowers. It can be said that wiping the leaves with milk is like giving the plant a facial treatment, making the Anthurium leaves not only look clean and beautiful, but also healthier from within. Step 2. After wiping the leaves, I pour the diluted milk solution into a clean spray bottle. Next, I spray the solution evenly over the whole Anthurium, from the leaves and stems down to the root area. Spraying this solution provides many practical benefits for the plant. A fine mist covers the whole plant, allowing the nutrients in the milk to penetrate deeply into the leaves and stems. As a result, the plant absorbs nutrients faster and more efficiently. The nutrients and antibacterial compounds in milk help prevent fungi, bacteria, and harmful insects. Protecting the plant from yellowing or rotting leaves. A light spray also helps the plant feel refreshed, keeping the leaves shiny, fresh, and preventing dryness. This ensures smooth photosynthesis and helps the plant grow stronger and healthier. Step 3. After waiting for about 30 minutes, I stir the ginger and charcoal mixture evenly. and I use a clean cloth to strain the solution, removing the residue. Next, I add 1000 milliliters of clean water to the strained solution and stir well so the two solutions blend together. Finally, I pour the finished solution into a clean kettle, ready for use. Next, I will water the ginger and charcoal solution directly onto the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. As the solution soaks into the medium, the roots will directly absorb the nutrients from the ginger and charcoal, helping the roots grow stronger, spread wider, and anchor firmly into the medium. The natural antibacterial compounds in ginger help clean the growing environment and reduce harmful fungi at the roots. When the roots are healthy, the plant produces glossy green leaves, and the flowers bloom longer and stay fresh. Step 4. After watering and spraying the solution, I use a soft clean cloth to dry all the remaining water on the leaf surfaces. This drying step is very important, because if water stays on the leaves for too long, fungi can easily develop. The leaves may then develop yellow spots or even rot. When the leaves are cleaned and dried, their surface stays glossy, breathes better, and absorbs light more effectively for photosynthesis. Then, I place the plant in a cool, airy spot with gentle diffused light so the leaves dry naturally. Thanks to this, the Anthurium is both nourished and fully protected, keeping it healthy. So, we have completed the steps of caring for the Anthurium using simple natural ingredients with amazing results. From removing wilted leaves and eliminating pests, to wiping the leaves, spraying nutrients, and watering the roots, all help the plant thrive, with vibrant flowers that last longer. Thank you for joining Love Garden Care in today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Let me know which country you are watching this video from. See you again in the next videos.